Hi and welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2011 Nissan Sentra and I will show you how you can recharge the AC, the air condition by yourself. This video will apply to Nissan Sentras made from 2006 all the way up to 2012. Okay, so to start you want to lift up the front hood. Now I will be using this AC recharge kit. You can buy these kits at pretty much any car parts store, even Walmart or Target. They usually cost like $40–50, but once you have this kit, all you have to do is just rebuy these cans every time you have to recharge your AC. This tool is pretty much reusable as many times as you have to use it. Now I know some viewers will complain this is not the right way to charge the AC, but this is a cheap and economical way to do it because each of these cans costs like $5–6. So once you have this kit, you can pretty much recharge your car for $10. If you take it to a professional shop, they will charge you at least $150 to do it. Yes, they do have the professional equipment and things like that, but this is the economical way, and I'm doing this for the last couple of years. I own a small car dealership and I've did it on over 100 vehicles and never had any kind of problems. Most important thing is just don't overcharge it, so always check this tool so it doesn't go into the red, and you should be good. But pretty much Nissan Sentra takes up to 2 of these cans. It depends how empty it is, but I will show you how I do it and how you can check everything. Okay, so first I will explain you quickly how this actually works. So this side of the hose will connect to the low pressure charging port, which is right here on this Nissan Sentra. This here is a high pressure charging port, do not touch this, so you want to connect to this one here. And then the other side, you're gonna screw this can onto this side right here, and then you'll be able to begin charging your AC. Okay, so to start, first you will screw the can onto this hose all the way. And once you do that, do not screw this pin all the way in. You will actually pierce the can with this pin once you connect the other side, this side, to the low pressure charging port. Okay, so now you can remove this black cap and connect the low pressure charging port. Just like this. And now once all this is connected, now you will screw this pin all the way in, and that way you will actually pierce the can. Okay, now once you have everything connected, you want to start your car, and you want to set the fan speed to the highest setting. You want to turn on the AC and you want to turn the max AC on. And now you can proceed outside. Okay, and what you will do now, you can start charging it, and you charge it by turning the can upside down. I hope you can see it in the video. You will slowly start unscrewing this knob, just like that. And now the coolant will slowly start entering the system. Now you don't have to do this fast, take your time. There is no rush, just slowly release it into the system. Once you are halfway done with the can, what I like to do, I like to go inside and check to see if there is any difference. And don't forget to keep looking at the amount of coolant in the system. So like I said, halfway through the can, I like to come into the car and try to feel it with my hand if there is if the air is any cooler. Now I definitely feel a bit of difference here. I need much more AC in the system, that's for sure, but it's not warm air anymore. It's getting cooler, so I will go outside and proceed charging. Okay, my can is pretty much done. Now I will again go inside to see how the AC feels, and I will again check my status. Right now I'm in the yellow, so I'm almost full, and now I expect that I'm gonna get nice cool air inside. Okay, yeah, and definitely, just like I said, I have the AC working. It's cold. I'm not 100% full, I know that. I might have to use a bit more from the other can, but right now this is doable. I have a nice cool AC right now in my vehicle. So this is pretty much how you can recharge the AC. Now I will show you what you have to do if you are putting one more can, and I will show you how to disconnect everything. If you are changing the can or if you are disconnecting everything, just make sure to turn off the car. Okay, so this is how my numbers look right now, and actually I'm quite happy with it. So I will not be using another can. The AC blows cold. I changed my mind. This looks good. Now, if you completely used up your can, first thing you want to do, you want to first disconnect this side, and then you can safely unscrew the can from the hose. So just you want to pretty much pull this off. Now, in case you have still some coolant, still some refrigerant left inside the can, what you want to do, you want to screw this knob all the way in first, and then you want to disconnect the low pressure charging port. That way you can reuse the refrigerant that's in the can. So if this is screwed in all the way, the refrigerant will stay inside the can, and you can use it on any other vehicle or next summer or whatever you need. Yeah. Okay, and this is pretty much how easy it is to recharge the AC by yourself. So I hope this video was at least a bit helpful, that it will help you to save some money by not going to the shop and paying high mechanical labor fees. Now, if your system has a leak somewhere, your AC might slowly stop working, or if you have a big leak, that means as soon as you charge it, the freon will just leak out somewhere. In that case, you will have to take it to the shop to have it diagnosed what's happening. Other option for small leaks, there's a special can similar to this. It's called stop leak. You can use that. It's actually the refrigerant mixed up with something else, and that can seal small seal leaks and things like that. But for any major leaks, unfortunately, you'll have to take it to a shop, to a professional, to have it diagnosed and fixed. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.